So we're in Fresno, California, taking a look at a little remodel project. What we've got, number one here, is we have a sink sitting here just on one wall, and what they want to do is they want two sinks. So you can see on the floor, sink there and sink there. So we'd have to cut into that waistline, of course, down here, and you got a window there, so triple studs and everything. Bring a sewer line over to there, and then go ahead and get another drain in, and then get the vent tied back into here. Get that tied back in and run over. Same thing with the water's hot and cold down the wall and stubbed out because they were abandoning this sink. So right now they got a little 45-degree wall. That'll be going away, capped off underneath, water capped off underneath, and then that leaves you with taking all the plumbing off of here for the sinks. That's the first project. Second project is this toilet. It's not going to be here. It's going to jump off the side and into this little cavity where you see the toilet sitting now. So you need to get tied back into the vent. The sewer line is about 20 to 24 below cement right here. So you need to get a new toilet, and this is all perimeter, so this foundation, so overpour, it's all solid concrete out here, so you'd have to get this flat plumbed, get it tied in, and get it back into that vent. So ceilings are open. There's no way to run anything overhead, so sewer line gets over to the toilet, vent line gets up there, water's got to be demoed back and then unscrewed and capped off right there. Again, that's all in cement. Freestanding tub in the middle right here, kind of a vague outline. You can see the green. And so that guy right here, tub does have a lip for mounting the faucet on. Probably what they're going to have is a couple of stub outs with shut-off valves, angle stops, and then some flexible supply lines going up to the faucet, which is nice. And then we need to get a drain back here, of course, then into the wall for the vent. And the vent will need to come over into the 2-inch line and get tied back in there. Shower itself, just move the drain over. So that drain would come to center. They've got it lined out where they're going to put how wide it's going to be. So get the drain to center, and then go ahead and take these waters. They'd like to have the valve and a diverter outside of the shower area where they can reach it. So they go ahead and turn it on and off. And then also a 3-way diverter. They can take you up to a shower head on this side and a shower head on this side. So a 3-way diverter. That way you can run them both at the same time. So that's the shower area. And then they have a gas line that needs to be demoed back. This goes to the back and is capped off. So one or two things. One, we can either cap it off right here and leave it alone, or we can go ahead and remove all this piping right there and extend it out through the sidewall, cap it off for future use, so you can do some yard piping back there if you need gas fixtures. So anyways, that's just a general overview. We'll get into the details in a little bit. Outside of that, this inspection is done.